So here, welcome to Python for DevOps, Cloud, Platform Engineers, and SRE with real-time scenarios and interview questions and answer course. Okay, so welcome. So first of all, in this course, so first of all, we are going to learn. So here, introduction to Python for DevOps, Cloud, Platform Engineers, and SRE. So in this, first of all, we are going to learn Python for Cloud Engineers and real-time task using Python for Cloud Engineers. Then after that, we are going to learn why learning Python is important for Cloud, DevOps, Platform, and SRE. Then after that, the next is we are going to learn Python modules for cloud, DevOps, Python platform, SRE. Then after that, real-time platform Python task for cloud, DevOps, platform, and SRE also. After that, the next is we are going to learn where is Python used in real-time world. Okay. Then we are going to learn how should I start learning Python or Python learning roadmap. Okay. So in this section, we are going to learn these points. So, okay. Then the next section is we are going to learn how to installation of Python on Linux and Windows operating system. Okay. You know how to install Python on Linux on Windows. So in this, first of all, we are going to learn how to install Python and PIP on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and then how to install Python on PyCharm on Windows operating system. Okay. So in this section, we are going to learn these two topics. Then after that, the next section is we are going to learn learning Python basics. Okay. So in this section, first of all, Python syntax and semantics. Okay. So in this, here you can see familiarize yourself with Python's simple and readable syntax, then data types in Python, like learn about strings, numbers, list, dictionaries, then tuples, and then sets. Okay. The next is control flow in Python. So in this, understand loops, conditionals, and exceptions. Okay. Then functions in Python. So in this, first of all, learn how to define and call functions, understand the concept of arguments and return values and scope. Okay. Then after that, handling in Python. So in this, first of all, we are going to learning to read and write files, which is crucial for scripting. Okay. So in this section, we are going to learn these points. Okay. Then the next section is Python with AWS and Python Boto 3. Okay. So in this, first of all, we are going to learn Python Boto 3 introduction, or you can see features of Python Boto 3 module or applications of Python Boto 3. Okay. Then Python with AWS, create S3 bucket, upload and download file using Python Boto 3. Then how to read file content from AWS S3 bucket using Boto 3. Then create EC2 instance using Python Boto 3 module. And then Python AWS Lambda function to stop running instance on weekends. Okay, so that's in this section we are going to learn these points. Then next section is Jira automation using Python. So in this, first of all, we are going to learn Python script to create Jira ticket and Jira automation using Python. Then Python script to create Jira ticket using GitHub in events. Okay, so in this section, we are going to learn these 2 points. Then the next section is Python with databases. Okay. So in this section, we are going to learn how to connect Python with SQL database, connecting MySQL with Python, MySQL database password rotation using Python script, and Python script for database backup and restore. So in this section, we are going to learn these 4 points. Okay. Then the next section is real-time Python script for cloud, DevOps, SRE, and platform engineers. So in this section, we are going to learn these 2 points. So first is find the SSL expiry date of API or website using Python script. And the next point is Python script to interact with Kubernetes and platform operations using Python. Okay, and then in last, real-time interview questions on Python script. So in this, we are going to learn first is interview questions and answer on Python for cloud, DevOps, SRE, and platform engineers. Okay, so in this course, we are going to learn these points. The first is Introduction to Python for DevOps, Cloud Platform Engineers and SRE. The next is installation of Python on Linux and operating system. Then learning Python basics. Then next is Python with AWS and Python Boto 3. Then zero automation using Python. Then Python with databases, and then real-time Python script for cloud, DevOps, SRE, and platform engineers. And in last, real-time interview questions on Python script. That's it. Okay. So in this course, we are going to learn these points. Okay. So thank you.